Let's get started on a peekaboo design for this mug. I have the mug already sanded and prepped ready to go. I will be using the color Little Duck, which is one of our Aurora 3-in-1 paints. We have these paints available at Makerflo Craft Shop, available in 34 different colors. The nice thing about the paints is that they can be used indoors, they are water-based, they dry rather quickly, and as you can see, you can use a heat gun to dry them even quicker. The coverage is really good with the paints too. I ended up doing 3 thin coats of the paint to get a nice smooth finish. Once that last coat of paint is dry, I'm going to be using Helios 2 Crafters Glue, which we also carry at Makerflo Craft Shop, and I'm going to apply a generous amount to the mug. My favorite part about Helios is that it stays tacky even when it's dry, so you don't have to rush to get your glitter on. The glitter I'm using is called Elixir of Shadows from Cult Glitter. You can use code BCM to save. I purposely did not glitter the handle because it's not necessary for this part of the peekaboo design. Now I'll let the mug sit for a little bit to dry, about 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and smush that glitter down into the glue with parchment paper. Again, Helios stays tacky when it's dry, so smushing your glitter down into it really does help to get your glitter nice and flat. Last, I'll put a coat of Helios over the top of the glitter. I'm going to let this dry and I'm going to smush it one more time in parchment paper to get it nice and flat, and then it will be ready for coats of Hyperion. Now that my tumbler is nice and smooth with several layers of Hyperion, it is time to do the peekaboo step. I cut these snowflake shapes out in removable or temporary vinyl on my silhouette, and I'm just randomly placing them around on the mug. They are spaced out a little bit more than I normally would, but I will be adding outlines to each of these snowflakes, and then I'm also going to be adding a couple decals around them as well after we do this peekaboo step. Once my decals are placed, I'm going to take a little bit of my Hyperion epoxy-free top coat and I'm going to seal all the edges of these decals. By doing this, I'm ensuring that if any of those edges do lift up, it's going to be the Hyperion that seeps underneath and not any paint or anything else that I'm going to put on top of them. This should be a really light coat of Hyperion and it shouldn't take very long to dry at all. Next, I'm going in with my Aurora 3-in-1 paint. This color is called Little Duck. And I'm going to do 3 coats of paint, letting it dry between coats. You can use a heat gun to speed up your drying process. Otherwise, it does dry rather quickly. These paints are non-toxic and can be used indoors instead of spray paint. And we do carry them here at Makerflo Craft Shop. Now I'm going in with my glitter. This is called Lunar Whisper from Cult Glitter. You can use code BCM to save. And my first thought was just to lightly, randomly sprinkle this glitter onto the cup because it is a little bit chunky, but soon after I started, I said, why not? Let's just throw it all in and see how it burnishes. And to my surprise, it turned out really beautiful. The glitter's a little bit iridescent, so it kept the color of Little Duck, but then it also added just kind of like a snowy look to it. And now for my favorite part is to peel up the decals after we've painted and glittered. This did take a little while to pull up all those little pieces, so I am speeding this part of the video up. But as you can see, with coating those decals with Hyperion, they're all coming up nice and smooth. There's no paint or anything that seeped underneath of them. And since I burnished the glitter right into the glue, there is no dry time or any time to wait, so I'm going to go right in with another coat of Hyperion, and I'm going to do a couple coats until it's ready to add my next decals. I went ahead and cut my snowflake outlines in Tech Wrap Chrome Vinyl. You can get this vinyl from Gets Crafty, code BCM will save. And it's very important that the outlines of these snowflakes are cut in the exact same size as the peekaboo decals. That will ensure that they fit perfectly around the edges. Not gonna lie, this was kind of a pain to weed the decals and then also to get them placed on the tumbler. Some of the smaller details, like in the circles inside of the snowflakes, I found it easier to just stick on the tumbler with the outline and then weed them back off. Now I'm going to fill in some of the spaces with just some snowflakes and dots that I cut out in just my white glossy vinyl. This is the last design step for this tumbler. After these decals are on, it will be ready for final coats of Hyperion. Personally, I like to seal with Hyperion and sand every 3 layers until I can no longer feel the decals underneath. Everything feels nice and smooth. And here is the final tumbler. It is gorgeous. Look at that shine. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know if you have any questions.